homeschoolers! Good morning! Kaigising lang namin, but excited na kasi. So, we are going to unbox our homeschool materials from Busy Bees Learninghive Inc. So, I have here with me si Ignis. Siya yung aming kinder student na naka-enroll sa aming homeschool provider na Busy Bees Learninghive. So, this came kahapon ng hapon, late afternoon. And ito ni kanyang, ito ni kanyang quarter 1 materials. Ito naman yung mga books niya for the rest of the school year. So, we decided to have Ignis enrolled ulit sa Busy Bees Learninghive for the kinder level naman kasi na-enjoy namin yung materials, yung flow ng activities from last school year and open the box. Wait, I'm explaining pa. So, every quarter, makakatanggap kami ng activity boxes niya and we're gonna show you kung ano inside. Ito na madali siya. Let's go. Okay, so first, ito muna. Let's first start with this one. So first, we have here this bag. And inside the bag,
is books.
we have our books. So marami. So we have books. There are books inside the bag and meron tayong libro sa science. Meron tayong libro sa math. Mga kinder level KP. Meron siyang Filipino and meron siyang English. Yeah. So, yun naman yung ano. Yes, open the box. Wait lang naman. So, ito yung mga books for the rest of the school. For the whole school year of kinder level. Yeah. So, okay, let's put this aside muna. And then, ito, meron rin siyang laminated mga activity sheets. So, we have here his busy book, laminated. You can put your name here, the school year, and the level. Inside, meron tayong calendar. Ayan, so 2022-2023. Dito yung days of the week, months of the year. Days. Allergy yung bunso. Then here we have here about the weather and feelings, naramdaman ng bata for the day. And then, meron pa tayo mga laminated sheets na alphabet. Ayan, phonics yan. Phonics based. Ayan. Yep, sing, spell, read, and write. Short based. Oh, God bless you. And then we have here tracing naman ng letters, tracing of numbers, and then bandage on injured body parts. Look, Lisa. He is injured. So, may bandage siya. May velcro to. Tatanggal. Ayan. Next, we have about colors. It's stars. Stars naman. Colors, and then we have matching shapes. Very colorful too. And we have a number train. Look. It's a number train. With velcro as well. Tatanggal siya. Ayan, para i-arrange ng bata yung sequence ng numbers. And matching alphabet. We had something like this from Korea. Mga 7 years ago or 8 years ago. So, ayan. Na-match niya yung uppercase with the lowercase. Ito yung ice cream. So, lalagyan mo siya sa on top of it. Okay. So, we have here until alright. Now, we go to the fun part. The box! Okay, so here we have the box. It says the name of Ignis, Bumblebees, Kinder Busy Box, first quarter. So let's open. Show them muna natin sa kanila what's inside. Okay. Alright. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh,
Slime.
Looks like slime. Okay, let's show them first ang nasa loob ng box. Okay, yeah. So, medyo mabigat at punong-puno yung box natin for the first quarter. Alright, first, let's show them. Basta muna, one at a time. What's that? It's a canister. Okay, tingnan naman natin ano what's inside, mahal. Siguro pang activity ito. We have balloon and merong rubber band sa loob. Okay, hold that first. We have pencil case, and inside the pencil case, meron tayong stickers and stamps. Merong highlighter.
It's like slime.
It's like slime. Meron tayong glue, mga school supplies. Eraser, may scissors, may pencil. Ayan. So, ito na yung kanyang pencil case for this school year. Then, we...
Yung picture ganito at di ka makapuli.
This is what they call the practical life skill set. So, merong sprayer. Dito lalagyan ng water to clean. And then, we have a rug. So, pagkatapos mo kumain, pagkatapos ng activity, ikaw mag-clean ng table. Yan, mag-clean ka ng table, spray mo yung table, and then you wipe the table. Okay? Yes. Yeah, allergy siya this morning. Yeah, my kids. Every morning.
Is this glass?
It's plastic na lang. Okay, put it there. And then, si Zoe gusto sumali. And then, meron tayong t-shirt. May t-shirt tayo from Busy Bees. Ayan. So, meron siyang t-shirt. Oh, here we go. Yung Busy Bees t-shirt is... Look, your Busy Bees t-shirt.
Look it, Mama.
What's that? It's a
Chef hat.
chef hat. Oh, you have a chef hat. Tingnan muna natin dito. May space tayo. Yep, you can wear that. Meron tayong sing, spell, read, and write tickets. So, we have color pen. Meron tayong we have popsicle sticks. Nasira na ni Mama kagad. Magkakasama-sama. We have crayons. We have clay. We have watercolor paint. And meron tayong dry erase board with marker. And ayan. So, poster paint na washable naman. Ta-da! We have another Ferris wheel song poster. Sing, spell, read, and write. And then, I have the alphabet poster over here. The first envelope is the welcome packet. So, this has the daily lesson plan guide, which is suggested. You can change it. Meron siyang teacher survival kit and report cards. So, first day of kinder. Yay! May welcome packet tayo. And it has a very itchy nose. So, inside, this is for Mama. This is for Mama, my survival kit. Meron ako survival kit. So, I have my candies here. I have, yun natin, wipes. Meron, merong bad aid. Thank you, Teacher Jeannie. Para sa mga paper cuts ng mga parents. Ayan. So, itchy nose. We have the mask, sanitizer, my tea, and of course, ang pinaka-favorite ni Mama sa lahat, ang ating ko. May soapin pala siya sa loob. Okay. This is my teacher survival kit. Siyempre, may candy and chocolates. Ganyan. Okay. My report card.
We have a new one.
We have the report card and lesson plan. Nakalagay na rin dito yung mga scope and sequence for the quarters. The coming quarters. Yan. So, at least meron tayong idea kung kailan natin i-discuss yung mga ibang topics. Then, it has here the schedule as well kung kailan yung submission ng portfolio, and report cards. Ito muna, mahal. First, we have the special events packet. So, the special events packet. Okay, so we have here the COVID virus craft. Ito. Yeah, we have the COVID virus craft. Gagawin
You
natin.
can just craft it.
You can just craft it. And meron na rin siyang welcome to Halloween. And stickers. I don't know if you can see. Medyo maliwanag. So, may yarn na siya. Kompleto na yan. Doon na yung Andyan yung instructions, andito na rin yung mga materials. That's what I love about these. Ayan, so marami palang craft na gagawin dito.
Can I see?
Yeah. Kasi atong special events packet, ayun, merong COVID virus craft, Grandparents Day craft, and Halloween crafts. Tatlo. Ay, di ba pala? So, magkaiba pa pala yun. So, meron tayong special events packet at meron pa tayong virtual Playdates packet. So, magkaiba pa pala siya. Tapos, nasilaw ako. So, first quarter virtual Playdates. Ayan. So, meron silang virtual. Tapos, merong classmate. Ang gulo ng ilaw. Merong classmate for Busy Bees kids where they meet online and have an event. And merong mga activities, so they get to learn. And so, inside, napakarami 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 naman activities. Sobrang dami sa loob. Ayan, makapal siya. Ang dami pala for first quarter. Meron siyang 4 sessions ng virtual playdates. And now we go dun sa every week na activities na gagawin natin. So, we have here the weeks. Envelope, ang dami yan. Ilang weeks ba to? 7. So, we have 7 envelopes for the 7 weeks of the first quarter. So, meron tayong week 1. Ayan. So, week 1. So, I'll just show it to you kung ano yung loob ng envelope. So, ano yan iba-iba yan. Depende sa topic for that week. So, in here, so, ito, meron siyang shape collages na gagawin. Meron mga worksheets. Okay, for shape and color. Ayan. So, ang ganda sa kanya kasi nakasort na, pati yung materials na kailangan mo for that activity. So, di ka na maghahanap, di ka na magka-cut. Ready na siya. Go na kayo kagad sa activity. Ayan. So, marami siyang worksheets for that week kasi may kita mo rin sa lesson plan yung mga suggested activities for that day or for that week. Day and week yun. So, meron siyang matching, sorting, medyo marami siya, ha? And meron siyang laminated sheets over here, spelling, short, CBC. Ayan. So, that's for week 1. Ito na lang ako. This is for week 2. We have here for week 3. Week 4. Meron tayo. Week 5. This is nice. Left and right. Ito may science yung sa week 4. May taste test. Wow, this is fun. We have the week 6, which, they would love this. Ayan. Kita, may spider naman yan. And merong slime. This is perfect. Week 6. I think aabot to sa, in time for Halloween. And then we have the week 7. Yeah. So, all of the weeks have their the topics or the activities that you're going to do for that week. Naka-ready na rin yung worksheets, naka-ready na yung mga materials, naka-cutout, naka-ready na yung mga cutouts, naka-sort na rin siya. So, yun yung nahahanapin. Alin na dito yung para sa activity na to, alin na para sa activity na yan. You don't have to wait to search through the materials kung alin doon kasi naka-sort na siya either with paper clip or yung sealable plastic. So, the chef hat, meron siyang apron. So, these are the materials from the Busy Bees Learninghive, our homeschool provider for kindergarten for our bunso. And ito yung kanyang first quarter box with, of course, the books that we're going to use for the whole school year. Meron siya yung mga materials na for the whole school year na like the practical life skill set, pencil case, teacher survival kit, and then of course, syempre meron tayong welcome packet. If you'd like to know how we do these activities or homeschool activities, please do follow us on Instagram, @santiago.ph, kasi those are mga stories, that's where we share snippets of our homeschool life. If you have any questions, just message us on Facebook or on Instagram. Abangan naman ninyo ang aming homeschool curriculum choices for our grade 2 and grade 6 students. So, palabas na rin yung video na. Thank you again for watching and happy homeschooling! Bye!